Boeing expresses confidence in the Indonesian government's commitment to the F-15EX Eagle II fighter jet purchase, with Washington granting the sales permit, despite the absence of a clear timeline for the final approval. Ongoing discussions between the US and Indonesian governments aim to address various aspects of the Foreign Military Sales FMS agreement. Boeing recently engaged in talks with its Indonesian counterpart to finalize the sale of the F-15EX fighter jet. However, the completion timeline remains uncertain, as both governments carefully consider the details of the deal. In August of last year, Indonesia became the F-15EX's inaugural export customer by signing an FMS MoU valued at $13.9 billion United States dollars with the US manufacturer. The F-15EX designated for Indonesia, now named the F-15ID, retains the same platform as the one slated for the US Air Force, with no significant modifications, as stated by Novotny.